I'm going to be showing you how to sell a book on bookshop.org. So you can't directly sell a book on Bookshop as an individual author or normal seller. Instead, Bookshop works in 3 different ways, and the one you choose depends on who you are. So if you're an independent author, which is the most case, bookshop.org does not operate like Amazon KDP. You cannot upload books directly and sell them yourself. Instead, the book must be published through a publisher or distributed through approved wholesalers like Ingram, and then Bookshop may list it automatically. The second option is if you want to sell through Bookshop as a publisher or distributor, then Bookshop pulls inventory from major distributors such as Ingram, Content Group, and Baker & Taylor for some markets. So your workflow is just publish your book, distribute it through Ingram or similar options, and Bookshop may list it if it's in their catalog. But if you want to earn money via Bookshop, which is the affiliate route, then most creators actually use is that you don't sell the book directly. Instead, you join the Bookshop affiliate program, share links to books, and earn commission on sales. So if your goal is self-publishing, then you need to know that Bookshop is not a self-publishing platform. Instead, you can use Amazon KDP, Ingram Spark, Draft to Digital for distribution, and then Bookshop may still list your book indirectly. So that's how you sell a book on bookshop.org. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.